this session, we are going to practice conditional sentences. In the previous sessions, you have done your practice on present tense, past tense, and future tense. In all these sentences, you have learned with structures. And apart from that structures, you practice types of sentences. There you have assertive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, and negative interrogative sentence. Now we are going to see the conditionals, how these conditions are helpful to us within written and spoken form. And now we are having, we have conditional sentence of four types, that is the zero conditional, first condition, second condition, and third condition. One by one, we are going to learn and practice now. There are four main types of if sentences in English. We know that often they are called conditional sentences. These sentences are in two parts, and those are called clauses. The if part is if clause. The other part where you can use words such as can, could, will, may, might, would, all these are the main clause. So finally what we are having, we have two parts in the same sentence, and those are the clauses, and here the if part is if clause, the other one is the main clause. So now you can watch this thing. Now here you are having zero conditional sentence. You see here the first part if clause is here, in the second part main clause is there. If plus present simple, simple present tense is there. In the second main clause also present simple is there. Here in the below you can see the sentence, if I am late for school my teacher gets angry. So simple if plus simple present is the other one is also here. Next you see if I oversleep. So here if clause is there, see the other main clause. What is the main clause here? I miss the bus. So miss that particular one is the verb. And you check another one. If I miss the bus, I am late for school. So here you can change the particular verb to the if clause to the main and main to the verb. And next you see if I am late for school my teacher gets angry. All these are the zero conditions. So how you are using is depends upon the situation and to how you are want to communicate with them. Next one, first conditional here. In the first conditional, see the sentence, if clause is there, main clause is there, if plus present tense is there. So in the main clause, what you can use will, shall, can, may, might, all these you can use a must. If I go to London, I will see the Big Ben. So the first one is a simple present tense. Go is the present tense. Next followed by will, see that is a main class. So here in the structure, in the given structure already you are having, you can use will, then, could, may, might, must, all these plus verb. So here based on the selection of the subject we are using. So the first one is the present tense, we are using will. If I go to the London, here go is a simple present. So you are going to use will or shall or can or may, like that. I will see the Big Ben. Now see the sentence. If I go to the Buckingham Palace, I can take a photo of the royal. So go is the simple present tense. Can plus verb take. This is the form of the structure. And next, if you go to London, you must look right before crossing the street. So go is the simple present, must plus look. And now we are going to practice second conditional. If clause is there and next main clause. In the previous session, what in the previous slides, what we practiced simple present tense followed by will, can, may, must. These only we are using in the first conditional. In the second conditional, the past form of the main clause is going to be used. So here, past simple is followed by would, could, might plus verb. So here see, if I were an astronaut, I would travel in a spaceship. Were is followed by past form of the will, that is would plus verb. Next, if I were an astronaut, I would travel in a space. If I traveled in a spaceship, I would go to Mars. See the sentence? In the word travel is the past form of the travel. So that is followed by would plus go. Next, if I went to Mars, I would meet a Mars here. So go is the present tense. For that past tense is a went. When the verb went is there, that is simple past, followed by the past form of the will. So would plus meet. Next sentence you see here. If I met a Martian, I wouldn't understand. Negative form I have given here. Meet is the MEET. Meet is the simple present. Past tense is the met. If I met a Martin, I wouldn't understand him. So here, what I'm going to give a negative form of the sentence. Would, will is the present tense. Would is the same. So now I wouldn't understand. Next sentence you see here. If I didn't understand him, I would come back to the earth. So here another pattern I have given negative form. If I didn't understand him, I would come. Now here I'm going to present you third conditional sentence. If class and main class usage. In the third conditional past perfect. When we did the practice in tenses, we had the past perfect. What is the structure? Had plus third form. So now you see, if plus past perfect structure is a had plus third form of the word, and the main class that must be followed by would, could, might plus have plus past participle. See the sentence, if I had studied hard, I would have passed. Here, past, third form of the particular word. That is past participle. Next, if you had studied hard, you wouldn't have failed your exam. If you had studied, had plus third form, you wouldn't have failed. If you had passed your exam, if you can, you could have gone to the beach. If you had passed your exam, you could have gone to the beach. If I had gone to the beach, I would have made sand castles. Had plus third form, I would have made sand castles. Would plus have, that is the structure, and third form of the word make, for the third form is made. So here, if I had gone to the beach, I would have made sand castles. So that is the third conditional. So here, make a zero conditional sentence and make zero conditional sentences, use clues. Now here I'm going to give a test. Kindly prepare make zero conditionals. John eat too much chocolate. Jane eat too much chocolate. She gets sick. Can you make a sentence? Next one. You not eat, you die. Next. You eat ice, it melt. And now write second conditional sentence, put the verbs in the bracket. Now you see here I have given three sentences. Please try to answer these in the second condition. What first conditional is what? Present tense followed by will plus verb. Second conditional is what? Simple past tense followed by would, could, might plus verb. So now here, if you left your job, you could travel around the world. You would travel. Next, B. What is here? If you are nicer to him, would plus verb lend you the money. Next, third conditional here I have given. What is the third conditional sentence? Had plus third form of the verb. followed by would have this uh, participle. The word crash is there. What is the third form? Crashed. Next here be is there. What is the third form? Is, was, been, or were, been. So third form is the been. You have to choose the particular verb. Now here go, went, gone in the third sentence. So these are the points what you are going to take to your preparation. Once again you have to go through this and prepare sentence of your own. Then finally check with the structure. Then you will get the correct point or structure for your preparation. Thank you. In the next session, we are going to see the blue jeans lesson.